What is up, Big Bass Nation? Welcome to another new video.
It's a good one.
70s. We just got down here to Lake the Ozarks, and right now the conditions are cold and windy, so bear with the audio. But yeah, here for another 2 days. It's going to be very cold this weekend, but we're going to make do and see what we can catch. All right, guys, we're at our third spot right now. We made 2 changes to try to get out of the wind, and we couldn't escape it, but this bank seems to be hidden. I just want to try slowing down a bit since it is so cold, and it's very hard to fish slow in that wind. So yeah, we're going to slow it down a bit over here, and hopefully we can figure something out. We haven't gotten, I don't think I've gotten bit yet, and it's been about an hour, so yeah, doubt's starting to creep in, but we just got to put our head down, keep fishing, and I think we'll get one. So yeah, let's go.
There's one.
Oh my gosh. Destroyed the jerk bait. Oh, it's a nice one. It's a white bass though. Oh man. I'm sure that looked cool. But yeah, that's probably what was pecking at my A-rig. I got bit on the A-rig, and so spun back and threw the deep diving jerk bait, and there we go. See if we can get another one. Wouldn't mind a couple of these before dark. That'd be cool. Good morning, Big Bass Nation. Welcome back to another frozen, cold Ozark morning. It is about 20 degrees right now, and the wind's coming through, so not ideal. But I'm gonna show y'all today, even when it's this cold, you can still catch fish. So yeah, stay tuned. See how we slow down and get these very cold, lethargic Ozark bass to bite. Beautiful morning, nonetheless. But yeah, let's get after it. We'll see you guys out in the water. You know how I had 2 jerk baits tied on? I took one of them off so I have one less rod, and I'm just sticking with that one. I had this chartreuse one on the other rod. Those look like crappie maybe. Got one? Ooh, it's a good bass. Yes, sir, Kester. Where was he at? Okay. Maybe he's got a brochacho. Not my fault. Sorry, I'm freaking out. That's a good fish, Zach. The Ozarks misses you.
You're back.
Oh, hell. Show me this.
Big guy.
There you go. Yeah, get it closer so it looks big. Nice. Let's see if he had. Theoretically, should be a school. Bro, the energy drink is freezing. How cold is it? Like, my ears aren't like feeling that cold.
This morning my phone was 12.
Good lord. I wonder why the fish are
Why
not.
do we do this,
I wonder why the fish are not super active. It's gonna be worth it, bro. It's possible, man. What happened last time I was down here? Last time I was down here, the video I posted yesterday, I was having these. What up? What up? What up?
Dog yet, fish,
I am catching him. Oh boy. Zach Kester. Okay. But look at this, look at this. Notice the area of the jig, the mouth here. This bass choked
the jig.
Choked the jig. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that guy. Tickle him. He's so cold, he's not even fighting this.
You also concussed him.
Oh my gosh. He's not even moving, dude. I knew it.
It's all good.
He was way out here. Okay, I'll get it out eventually. Alright guys, first fish of the day, dragging the jig, super slow and super deep. But with that being said, he just absolutely swallowed the jig, so that's a good sign. We're probably gonna keep running with this. That's only Zach and I's third fish of the day, so it can only go up from here. And he's alive. Look at that. That's a 10-pounder. If you didn't get snagged, you would have caught him. Yeah, but you didn't, so. Ooh, I got one. It's a good one. No. All right. All right, guys, here's what's going on. It's probably been like an hour and a half since my last fish, and gosh, what a terrible day. It is, I'm gonna break it down. It is about 1 o'clock, and every time we reel in, ice is still forming around our guides. That's how cold it is. So we are, oh my gosh, we are really trying to get through it. But hopefully there's more of that. Zach's got a tree or something. What you got? Woo!
A jig.
A jig! Look at that, we're making our money back. And that's, I'm not sure about the trailer.
Yeah.
I haven't used this type of trailer before.
That thing is huge.
But the jig looks nice. I haven't used a trailer that big before. Alright guys, we are heading back out, and it is so cold. Cold as it's been all weekend. It is 11 degrees right now. And it's windy. We're probably gonna fish slow, and hopefully we can catch something. Let's go. Got one? Nice. Literally, that's your spot right here, Kester. It's the same fish. Good work, bro. To get the rig going. Yeah, it's on. Talk to me, man.
Yeah. Fresh City freeloader. No chartreuse tip. Connoisseur on the chartreuse tip. This is a 4-inch swim bait. This is the same guy that, or same swim bait that I hit yesterday. This is a guy probably about 2 pounds. These are dates.
Yes, sir.
Probably about a 14-inch or 15. But be a keeper in a tournament.
Yeah.
Fishing for pride today.
Yes, sir, Kester. Oh my God. On the coldest morning ever. Yeah, I'm gonna do this real quick. Never mind, we're gonna have to stay here. Ooh. Well done, Zach. Me store A-rig. God, I can't believe they're biting anything right now.
Middle swimmer.
Talk about how warm it is, Zach. It's about
It's
58
11
degrees right now. It's 58 and sunny, light breeze.
It's 11 degrees. It feels like it's -4. It's snowing.
You can still catch them though. If you're Zach Kester, you can still catch them. Nice.
Got one.
Spotted bass guy. Alrighty. It's this spot right here, man. They're loaded. Choked the Pro Blue. Really choked the Pro Blue. Nice. It's got some blood. So guys, yeah, like Zach said, it is 11 degrees, so that's forcing us to fish super slow for these super cold Ozark bass. But we've caught 3 this morning, so just figuring out a little bit of an A-rig bite. It's not super consistent, but anything you can do to get these fish to bite when it's 11 degrees is good, so we're gonna keep running with it. Alright, what is up? Finally got back out here. Didn't really talk much this morning. We fished from about 7 to 9. Honestly, I don't think I've ever been that cold before while fishing. I can't even describe how bad it was. It's still about 20-25 degrees right now, so everything is still freezing as I reel it in, but it's supposed to get up into the 30s today. And if it does, I'm just begging that I can actually reel my lure in without the guides on my rod freezing. We're just gonna grind it out for the rest of the day, enjoy the sun while it's out here, and fingers crossed we can just stumble across the right fish. That's all we can ask for. One good fish, and I think all of this is worth it. Got one. Another one on the A-rig. It's hard to tell. This one's pulling. Oh, it looks better. Oh, that's a solid fish. Get up here. Woohoo! Finally. Finally, it's going on with the A-rig. Oh, I can't express how hard it's been today. It has been a very, very long day. And it's so rewarding. We've been fishing since about 7 a.m. besides about a 1 hour break. And we were out there this morning when it was 11 degrees. And now we're still out here when it's in the high 20s. But let me tell y'all, when it's this cold, you can still catch fish. You just seriously need to slow down. It is possible. Oh, it's a beautiful fish. Let's freaking go. All right, guys, what is up? It is so windy right now. I can't set up the tripod because I don't want my phone to blow into the water, obviously. But finally, a good one on the Alabama rig. We've been What is up, guys? We are back out here. Slept in a bit today, super tired, and I couldn't deal with another one of those super duper cold mornings. So yeah, slept in a bit, and now we're heading out. It is still super duper cold. Pop it up, it is like 20 degrees. Feels like single digits. So yeah, nothing's changed. And we are leaving today, so this is our last ditch effort to kind of make something of this video and get either a couple decent bass or maybe one big one. I'd be cool with either. So yeah, let's get out there, and fingers crossed, I'm begging for a big bite. We're at the same spot as we ended the night off. This might be the only stretch of bank you see in the video because it's the only stretch of bank I've been able to catch fish on. And that's why we keep returning. But, you know, now we're just on the search for a big one. Let's freaking go. All right, guys, we just gave it another try. We just fished for a couple hours this morning and caught nothing but probably frostbite. So I'll be back to the Ozarks here soon, and yeah, hopefully I will do a lot better once the temp starts warming up. Don't get used to these videos with only a couple fish. It's gonna go back to the way it was, I promise. But until then, thank you guys so much for watching me struggle in this frozen weekend. But thank y'all so much for watching. Be sure to stay tuned. More videos are going to come out. Follow Big Bass Nation on all socials. Big Bass Nation's my handle on everything. I'll pop it up. But yeah, thank you guys. See you next time.